Hey, Will here. So, do you want to make sales selling Easter digital products on Etsy in the next 10 days? I know that's a mouthful, but it is possible. Easter's coming up fast, but with digital files, you can sell them right up until the day. So, there's a few wicked digital products that you can sell to take advantage of Easter buyers on Etsy. And if you want to learn exactly what those are and how to do it, click that green button. Go to ppc-coach.com/register. Click this button. A little screen will pop up. Enter your name and email, and I'll register you automatically for the webinar, which is live. And on there, I'm going to talk about how to spy on winning products. So time is of the essence, of course. You need to know exactly which products you should be creating and selling on your shop right now. So I'm going to show you how to find trending hot products to sell. Second thing I'm going to do is give you the top 3 digital Easter products to sell. So I actually have 5. I actually have 10. I just added 5 more to it. But I'll show you the top 3. These are files that are digital. So you can download them instantly like the buyer can. There's no base cost, no shipping times, no processing times. This is awesome. And the third thing is how to speed things up. So how do you create these digital files? How do you list them? How do you sell them? How do you optimize them? All that good stuff I'm going to teach you on the live webinar. So go to ppc-coach.com/register, click on the button, click here to register. You'll be automatically added to the webinar. You'll get a notification from GoToWebinar, that's who I use. And then on Thursday at 11, I'm going to go live. So we'll see you on there. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.